Hello guys, this is Icha here. Good morning. Today I wanna share with you something, and something is related and personally, not my life, but yeah, something is personally with you all. Okay, breakup. Everyone, mostly person also suffering this what about the breakup experience. So for the things I will have to suggest to everyone, please, if you just faced or you are facing breakup in your life, so please just try to think about you. I know that it is really so much pain in the heart. It is not a it is not actually, you cannot come out from this situation. It's really very hard to forget to that person easily. For the things, I will share with you some tricks, and definitely if you will apply those tricks, definitely you also can come out from the breakup. Of course, you cannot bring to that persons in your life again, but of course you also can what you also can arrange, you also can manage your life as on the smoothly way. Okay, for that things, what will you do? Please just try to do only one thing. Don't miss that person. If that person has left you and that person saying to you that now I don't have need in my life for you, please don't go to that person's again and again. Don't cry to that person. Why are you so much crying to that person? If that person is saying to you directly, now I don't have need in my life for you, so why, what is the reasons so much crying, so much thinking about that person? Just try to think about that person and just try to side that persons from your side. Just try to side that person and just try to think, I'm happy. Just try to keep yourself as a happy and be positive. It is really hard to keep yourself as a positive or as a happy mood. For that things, you can do first things is that, like, if you want to cry, you can cry a lot, but only once. And you just try into the room when you are alone, when you are with your siblings, with your best friend, just try to cry a lot. And after that, just try to give promise to yourself, now I will not cry for that person. That person leave me and I'm just crying for that person. No, it is actually happened with both of persons, with boy, with girl as well. So in these situations, how to come over the breakup situations? Okay, so for the things, first of all, don't miss that person. Just try to think second, just try to think, if that person will leave you or that person had left you, so just try to come on the safe zone and just try to think about you. That person don't want to care you, don't want to care your emotions, your loves, your feelings. So why are you thinking about that? Oh, that help us. Just think, that person is actually not for you. That person actually came in your life to spoil you, but you will not success to that person. You will not spoil to yourself. You will actually come out from these things. How to do that? Okay, actually it is really hard. It is so hard to come out these things. It is really hard not miss that persons. It is so easy to say someone don't miss that persons, but thing is that when we also love to someone, and definitely we so much missing to that person, and in these situations it is really very necessary how to forget to that person, how to forget to that person. So about these questions I am here. Okay, so how to forget, I'm not saying to you that just forget to that person, but don't miss that person. First thing is that. Second thing is, whenever if that persons will again and again interact after the breakup, just try to keep yourself so much happy. Just try to show that I'm so happy, I can live without you, I don't have need to you in my life. Who you are? You are hell of this. And seriously, I was really completely busy when you were in my life. Now I'm really happy. I completely think about me, who am I? I also completely think about my career, about my future, about all things. Even because of you, I also couldn't give the time to my precious friend, precious parent as well. Now I have time to include with them. I have time to realize who is mine actually. So thing is that bye and have a great good day. Just say bye and just say I'm so happy and just thank you so much to leave me from your life. Please just try to say once, just try to say this line to that person. Definitely it is so much hard. Actually you will crying a lot by your heart, but if you will say this line, definitely that person will think, oh my god, that person cannot live without me. Now that person also saying me about me, that things, that is stuff. So definitely after that, that person actually will realize what did he or she mistakes with you. Okay, so whatever, okay, if he or she realized or not, it is okay, just leave that things. And in this situation, when someone is suffering this problem about the breakup, so when you are in currently you are facing these things and you are thinking that your breakup has done, firstly just say thanks. Of course it is not easy, but you will have to say to that person, thank you so much, thank you, because of after the breakup you have so much power, so much power. So that power or that energy, you will have to put up that energy and that power, you will have to you will have to what you will have to learning process. Just try to join any academy or any seminar, any workshop, any kind of things, whatever you are liking to do something, just try to enter and just try to join any classes, or you also can teach or you also can learn. Just try to include with the friends whatever you are liking. So just try to join the classes as well in these situations, that actually you also can learn a lot of things. And just try to keep yourself as a little bit busy mode. Second thing is, just try in this situation, just try to talk with new persons in the sense of like new persons. Just try to make new friends. How to make new friends? Of course, as I already mentioned, just try to join in any academy, any seminar, workshop, any tuition classes. Just try to join these classes. Oh, definitely by these things you also can make new friends, and just try to talk with them. When you will talk, and definitely you also can motivate, and sometimes you also can think, okay, I can teach to that person, I also can do something for that person. And in these situations you also can busy yourself, and for that things somehow you will you will seem to forget your previous breakup. Just try to move on in your life. And I will suggest you, every boys and every girls, please don't request to that person, please just come back in my life, just come back in my life. I cannot wait, I cannot actually live without you, I'm so much depend on you. Please just don't do that. Like, if you have so much respect, so please don't do that. Because if you cannot if you cannot respect yourself, definitely that person actually can never respect you. That person will disrespect you again and again, again and again. And somehow if that persons again come back in your life in the future, just try to kick that persons according to the situation. And if you will think actually that persons actually has realized, so just try to take decisions according to your situations and conditions and your heart, please. But in this situation, don't try to take decisions any by somehow emotions and feelings and heart feelings. Just try to be a practically and just try to take decision. And I will suggest you, please just don't go again in that person life, and don't try to come back in any person life after the cheating in this relationship, after the breakup in this relationship. So for that things, what will you do? You will have to cry. You will have to, like, whenever you will cry, just cry aloud, but in alone. Don't show yourself, especially your previous friend, that you so much loving to that person you cannot live without persons. Don't show like this. If you will show, definitely that persons again and again will kick you, will give so much pain, so much pain. And for that things, you cannot concentrations on your any learning process, on your any kind of, and because of that things, actually somehow you will lose your relationship with your friends, with your neighbor friends, with your closest, definitely. Because they wants you, but you won't do that help us. So for that things, if you want to realize, so definitely just try to include those people is in your life really very as a precious. Just try to realize and just try to be happy. It's not easy, but yeah, everything is possible. I am possible. Just try to come, just try to come out on these situations. For that things, bye.